Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, two names synonymous with innovation and disruption. Musk, the audacious engineer, dared to dream of colonizing Mars with SpaceX. He challenged the auto industry with Tesla's electric cars. Bezos, the e-commerce titan, built Amazon from an online bookstore to a global retail giant. He focused relentlessly on operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. These two titans, each brilliant in their own right, reshaped entire industries. Their paths to success, however, diverged dramatically. Musk embraced risk, pushing the boundaries of technology with ambitious ventures. Bezos prioritized meticulous planning and optimization, building a well-oiled machine that delivered consistent results. From the very beginning, Musk set his sights on ambitious, even outlandish goals. Space exploration, sustainable energy. He founded SpaceX with the dream of making humanity a multi-planetary species. Tesla, his foray into the automotive world, aimed to accelerate the transition to electric vehicles. His approach? Think big, take risks, embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. He poured his energy and resources into radical innovation, often challenging conventional wisdom. His companies became synonymous with cutting-edge technology and a relentless pursuit of the seemingly impossible. Bezos' vision for Amazon was rooted in a different philosophy: customer obsession. He believed in delivering the best possible experience for every customer, every time. This meant relentless focus on operational efficiency, low prices, and fast delivery. He built a culture of data-driven decision-making, constantly iterating and optimizing every aspect of the customer journey. His approach, while less flashy than Musk's, proved incredibly effective. Amazon became synonymous with convenience, reliability, and value. When titans clash, a tale of two visions. The contrasting approaches of Musk and Bezos came to a head in the race for space tourism. Blue Origin, Bezos' space venture, focused on safety and reliability, prioritizing a slow and steady approach. Musk's SpaceX, true to form, embraced bold innovation and rapid iteration. While Blue Origin conducted meticulous testing, SpaceX launched, failed, learned, and launched again. The result: SpaceX surged ahead, achieving significant milestones in space travel. This clash highlighted the fundamental differences in their leadership styles. The road ahead: future plans of visionaries. As we look to the future, both Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have set their sights on groundbreaking projects that could redefine our world. Musk, with his relentless drive, aims to colonize Mars through SpaceX's ambitious Starship program. His vision extends beyond Earth, seeking to make humanity a multi-planetary species. Meanwhile, Bezos continues to invest in Blue Origin, with plans to build space habitats and make space travel more accessible. Beyond space, Musk's ventures like Neuralink and Tesla's advancements in AI and renewable energy promise to revolutionize technology and healthcare. Bezos, on the other hand, is channeling resources into healthcare innovations through his Day One Fund and the Bezos Earth Fund, aiming to tackle global challenges like climate change. The next decade will undoubtedly be shaped by their visionary projects as they push the boundaries of what's possible and inspire the world to dream bigger. Global economic impact and technological influence. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are not just visionaries shaping the future, they are also pivotal players in the global economy. Their companies, SpaceX, Tesla, Amazon, and Blue Origin, are driving significant economic growth, creating millions of jobs, and fostering innovation ecosystems around the world. Musk's influence on the automotive and energy sectors through Tesla has accelerated the shift towards electric vehicles and renewable energy, impacting industries far beyond his own. The gigafactories scattered across continents are not just production hubs, they are catalysts for local economies, spurring advancements in battery technology and sustainable energy solutions. Bezos, through Amazon, has revolutionized e-commerce and logistics, setting new standards for customer service and operational efficiency. The ripple effects of Amazon's innovations are felt globally, with countless startups and established companies adopting their practices. Moreover, Amazon Web Services, AWS, has become the backbone of the internet, empowering businesses of all sizes with scalable cloud computing solutions. Both leaders are also heavily investing in emerging technologies. Musk's Neuralink is pushing the boundaries of brain-machine interfaces, while Bezos's investments in healthcare and AI are setting the stage for breakthroughs in medical science and beyond. Their ventures are not only shaping industries but also influencing policy and regulatory frameworks, as governments around the world grapple with the implications of rapid technological advancements. The economic and technological landscapes are continuously evolving, thanks in large part to the relentless drive and vision of Musk and Bezos. Their impact on the global economy and their role in fostering innovation will be felt for generations to come as they continue to inspire the next wave of entrepreneurs and technology. Leadership styles and inspiration. To truly understand the impact of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, we turn to experts and industry insiders who have studied their journeys, leadership styles, and the ways they inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs. Expert 1. Elon Musk's leadership style is characterized by his willingness to take enormous risks and his relentless pursuit of innovation. His ability to envision and execute on projects that others deem impossible is what sets him apart. This mindset is incredibly inspiring to young entrepreneurs who are looking to make a mark in emerging industries. Expert 2. Jeff Bezos, on the other hand, is a master of operational efficiency and customer-centric thinking. His focus on long-term goals, data-driven decision-making, and constant iteration has created a blueprint for sustainable business growth. Entrepreneurs today can learn a lot from his disciplined approach and his commitment to delivering value to customer. Lessons from the Titans. As we've delved into the journeys of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, several key takeaways emerge from their monumental successes and occasional setbacks. These lessons are invaluable for anyone looking to make a significant impact in their field. Musk's ambition to colonize Mars and Bezos's dream of making space travel accessible are examples of how a grand vision can drive extraordinary achievements. From SpaceX's initial rocket crashes to Amazon's early financial struggles, their stories teach us that resilience in the face of adversity is crucial. Successful ventures often require a blend of daring ideas and meticulous execution. Whether it's Musk's multi-decade plan for Mars colonization or Bezos's investment in long-term projects like Blue Origin, their strategies show that patience and persistence pay off. By examining the lives and careers of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, we gain a deeper understanding of what it takes to be at the forefront of innovation and business leadership. Their journeys remind us that while the paths to success are varied, the core principles of vision, resilience, and a relentless drive to innovate are universal. As we look to the future, these lessons will continue to inspire and guide the next generation of leaders and entrepreneurs. Balancing innovation versus efficiency. The stories of Musk and Bezos offer a valuable lesson. There is no single path to success. Musk's daring innovation and Bezos's relentless optimization demonstrate the importance of balance. Entrepreneurs and leaders must learn to embrace both risk and efficiency. Finding the right equilibrium between groundbreaking ideas and operational excellence is crucial for sustained success. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology and beyond, it is the ability to both dream big and execute flawlessly that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Thank you for your attention. Please give your opinion in the comments below.